Hey everyone, Rich here from Earthwise Packaging, and our A10 HotShot Vape Cartridge Filling Machine by CoolJarz is pretty robust and rarely needs repair. If you do find yourself in need for warranty repair or service, please prepare your A10 HotShot machine for shipping by removing these items, as we will not need them to service your machine. First, remove the ANOVA heating element and empty any heat transfer fluid from the machine. Next, remove the oil tank and lid. Remove the filling needle by using the supplied tool in your toolkit. You will not need to send these items with your A10 HotShot. We will also not need any accessories like the foot pedal, speed tray, power supply, or toolkit to service your A10 HotShot machine. Lastly, pack your A10 HotShot machine in a sturdy box with plenty of padding to prevent your machine from getting damaged during transit. Doing these few items gets your A10 HotShot machine ready for repair quicker, saves on shipping both ways, and helps our environment just a little bit. If you like these videos, hit the like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Finally, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.